Good morning, class 10 students. Today I'm going to discuss practical number 14, that is based on database development. If you see that this particular practical we have shared with you that create table in database. So let's do the first part of it. Um, Create table in database using wizard option create form and report. That these three things I'll explain you in the part 1, because and then part 2 I'll explain query in SQL. So how to create table in database, as we have already explained you, for this we'll use open office database. Though you can work on MS Access also. Access is also available, but since most of the question in the sample paper in the ebook of the CBSE are based on Open Office, so we'll work on Open Office. So you can easily download. It's a free software. Okay. So Open Office database we are going to click. Once we have clicked Open database, it's asking us many questions. So let's create a new database. So if we want to create a new database, we'll go to the next and finish it. It will ask me to write the name of the new database. Suppose I write class 10. Okay. So my new database is class 10. So once I have created class 10, you will find on the top this class 10.odb file has created. So for database, the file extension is .odb. Let's create a table. First, we'll create a table in design view. So what we are doing in the design view, we are trying to keep the field names and what are the data types we would like to select for them. If I'll show you the question again, in this particular question, we have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields, where starting from roll number to house, certain fields are created. We'll try to recreate or we'll change few fields here and there. So let's open this again. Write first as a roll number. Okay, this I'll select as small integer. Okay, then the second one I'll take as a name. Name is text field, which we can call it varchar also. There var is variable, char is the character. So name always comes under this character or text field, where we can write alphabets, numbers, and even special characters. Okay, the next field, let's take phone number. Okay, phone number again will take as a number or numeric. So I'll select here it as a numeric or number. Next field I'll select as date of birth, which was not given in the field, but just to explain you that this is again one of the field which we can take as a field type date. Okay, then next comes the wherever we want to ask question from, like we would like to collect a data where we want only yes or no answer. You tick, it's yes. You don't tick, you leave it, it's no. So like in the given question, we have written like art. Do you like art? If you write, if you tick it, it means yes. If you leave it, it means no. For these kind of a data where the answer is either yes or no, we have another field which is called Boolean or yes or no. So let's select these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. If we'll try to save it, it will ask us to create a primary key. Now, what is the requirement of a primary key? Any field which is unique for your entire all the records. Suppose we are going to collect the entire 10th class record, 256 students, we are creating a record where we would like to identify one field which is unique for everyone. It can be roll number, it can be enrollment number, it can be registration number. So any field which is unique, we consider it as a primary key to identify the data. Right now, because we have created roll number, so let's take roll number as a unique key. Okay, once we have created this, we'll save it. So it will ask the table name. So let's keep the table name also class 10. Okay, so our database name is class 10. Our table name is also class 10. So let's open this again. By mistake, I think, closed it. So I'll open this open office again. So you see here, in the class 10, this class 10 table is created. So let me maximize this. And so what I did, first part, I have created a table in a design view. Now using same table, I can convert it into form also and report also. In the last two exam, there was a question, write the steps to create form or report in a wizard option. So let's click on form. What is form? In the form, record comes one by one. So if I same table I want to convert into form, I'll go to the use wizard. uh, okay, it will ask me question, which table you would like to use. I would like to use here right now, which I have created, class 10th. All the fields I would like to keep, yes. If I want to keep all the fields, I'll click on this double arrow, and all the fields will be selected. If I want to select one by one, that option is also there. One by one I can select and I can skip any. Okay, but right now because I would like to select all, so I double arrow means select all. Okay, this question also came in the multiple choice in the database. While creating a form or report, if you want to select all the fields, which key will you fill? So this double arrow key. Okay, let's go to the next. In the next, it's asking us any subform. No. Arrange control, like suppose I want this type of form. Okay, this is okay for me. I want to apply style also, so I'll come to the next. This orange color I don't like, so I'll keep it as a gray, or this blue, or I can keep red. So let me, this time I have created this water is okay for me, so I'll finish it. So what happened, this table is created. Now in this table, all roll number, name, phone number, DOB, like card, these either you can fill here, like suppose 1, I write here Aman, I write phone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, date of birth, suppose I write 1309 96, and like art, yes. So this is one. Either you can fill form and collect the records, or in the table also you can do it. Okay, let's close this and see. Yes, I would like to save. So if I open this table, you will find what I have saved in the form, it's saved in this table also. So let's write 2, 3 more records. Second, I write here Anita. Okay, and I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose any number. Then date of birth 0909 95. Like art, no. So see here, this date is not coming properly. So what I can do, I can increase the size of the date. So this date has not come properly, 21. I don't know birth. So I'll write here complete. So this way you can change the label also. You want to do grouping? No. Sorting? No. Choose layout. Maybe I would like to choose any better layout. So I have selected this red and blue. Okay, let's finish it and see how quickly same thing has changed into the report. So once you have created a table, that same table you can convert into form, you can convert into the report using wizard option. This is part half of the excess practical which I have explained you. So what I have explained you, I have explained you these three. Okay, in the part 2, I'll show you how to use query in Excel using the same database, query extracting information. So try this and then I'll bring part 2. Thank you so much. So let me